This is our mobile makerspace box. The first level is mostly electronics. One of the main elements for our electric systems are breadboards. One of the available solutions is a breadboard that can be powered externally. There are also stepper motors. This is an actuator, and this is a stepper motor. This is a smaller stepper motor with a controller that can be directly connected to an Arduino board. Next, we have microcontroller boards like Raspberry Pi and Arduino Uno, or alternatively, Arduino Leonardo. Next, we have detectors. We have an infrared barrier sensor. This is an ultrasound distance detector. There are also a few door or window opening detectors that can be used for one of our learning scenarios. Next, a MOSFET-based driver, that is, a transistor-based technology. This is one more barrier sensor. This is an LCD display with an I2C converter to connect it to a microcontroller board. Next, a soil moisture sensor and an infrared motion detector. This is a motion detector. This is a waterproof temperature sensor. We also have connection cables, potentiometers, and DC connectors. There are colorful LED diodes, resistors, and extra connecting cables. Then, a set of cables with different endings, such as crocodile clips, to a DC plug, USB cable to a DC plug, and also clamps that can be attached to a battery and used to power a device through a DC plug. We also have tools at our disposal, such as pliers, tweezers, and a likely most used screwdriver. This is the second level of our mobile makerspace box. Inside, we have a few sets prepared for a weather station learning scenario. Students can work in teams of 2 or 3 people and learn to create a sensor of temperature and humidity. We have a webcam, and a multimeter. It's an obligatory part of any makerspace box. Let's move to a power supply part of our box. We have a charger for different types of batteries. Next, we have power supplies, such as different types of batteries, rechargeable batteries, and battery cases to power various devices. We have photovoltaic cells, and finally, a set of different power adapters to realize different learning scenarios and projects. The third level is mostly equipped with tools. We have a power strip here. There are soldering tools available. A soldering iron with a holder, a soldering wire, a sponge, and safety glasses. There is also a mini vise. A helpful holder with a magnifying glass, and a head torch. On the other side, we have elements necessary to accomplish a learning scenario of a plant watering system. There are soil moisture sensors, plastic pipes, and MOSFET transistors for powering up a water pump. This is a water pump. Next, in the case, we have a multifunction Dremel tool with a basic set of accessories. As well as a more advanced kit of accessories for the Dremel tool. The last level, the fourth one, is also filled with tools as well as crafting materials. There is a set of screwdrivers, more and less typical ones. There is a basic tool set with a hammer, pliers, a knife, and other useful elements. There are also crafting materials, such as plywood for crafts assembling, and colorful sheets of HIPS thermoplastic material. The sheets of 1 mm thickness are optimal for most uses. Last, we have a hot glue gun with hot glue sticks. This is the full mobile makerspace box.